Today, I'll show you how to edit label names in Microsoft Planner. First, open Microsoft Planner in your browser, or open your Planner board inside Microsoft Teams. Sign in with the Microsoft account you use for your work or school organization. Now open the plan where you want to edit the label names. In Microsoft Planner, labels are the colored tags you can add to tasks. They are useful for organizing work by priority, topic, department, client, status, or task type. To edit a label name, click on any task card in your plan. The Task Details window will open. Look for the colored labels inside the task window. Depending on your layout, they may appear near the top or on the right side. You should see several colored label options. Click the label text you want to rename. In some versions, you may need to click the small edit icon next to the label. Now type the new name for that label. For example, you can name your labels Urgent, Waiting, Design, Marketing, Client Work, or Needs Review. After typing the new label name, press Enter or click outside the label field to save it. Once you rename a label, the change applies across the entire plan. This means that every task using that same colored label will show the new label name. Now you can apply the label to more tasks. Open another task, then click the label you want to use. You can also select more than one label for the same task if needed. For example, one task can be marked as urgent and client work at the same time. If you want to remove a label from a task, open the task and click the selected label again to turn it off. To find tasks with a specific label, use the Filter option at the top of the board. Click Filter, then choose the label you want to view. Planner will show only the tasks that match that label. If you are using Planner in Microsoft Teams and you cannot easily edit the label names, try opening the same plan in the Planner web app. The web version may be easier to manage. So, to keep it simple, open a task, find the colored labels, click the label name, type the new name, and save it. The new label name will then be used across the whole plan. And that's how you edit label names in Microsoft Planner. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.